Samsung has never crossed 5,000 mAh on a Galaxy Ultra. Not once. Not in 6 straight generations. That is about to change. But the leaked documents behind this story suggest the reason is stranger than a battery upgrade. Because to get there, Samsung may be cutting something else. Something the Ultra has never gone without. For years, insiders have asked the same question. Why does Samsung's flagship keep falling behind on battery, while Chinese rivals push past 6,000 mAh with ease? Now a wave of leaks claims the Galaxy S27 Ultra is finally breaking that ceiling. But here's where it gets interesting. The story isn't really about a bigger battery. It's about what Samsung is willing to sacrifice to get one. Start with the battery itself. Leaks point to a jump towards 6,000 mAh, made possible by silicon-carbon technology. That means more energy packed into the same slim frame, not a thicker phone. Then there's the chip. The Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 Pro, built on a 2nm process, paired with LPDDR6 memory that moves data over twice as fast as the current standard. And then something nobody expected. A new authentication system called Polar ID. Think Face ID, but without the notch, reportedly able to tell a real face from a 3D mask in total darkness. Samsung is even said to be testing liquid cooling, a technology so far only seen on niche gaming phones, to keep that new chip from overheating under pressure. Every one of these leaks points to the same conclusion. The Galaxy S27 Ultra is shaping up to be the most aggressive redesign Samsung has attempted in years. But that's not even the craziest part. Reliable leaker Ice Universe claims the S27 Ultra could lose its 10-megapixel telephoto lens entirely, turning the phone from a quad-camera flagship into a triple-camera device, for the first time since the Ultra line began carrying 4 rear lenses. The main sensor is reportedly shrinking too, moving from a larger chip called the Isocell HPA to a smaller one, the HP6. Samsung isn't just chasing bigger numbers. It may be trading away a camera feature to make room for everything else. And here's the part that changes everything. This isn't just rumor anymore. The Galaxy S27 has now appeared in the GSM Association's official IMEI database, under the model number SM S952U. That's the strongest confirmation a leak can get before an actual announcement. The phone is real, and Samsung's process is already underway. What's more, this won't just be one device. Samsung is reportedly expanding the lineup to 4 models. The standard S27, the S27 Plus, a brand new S27 Pro built for users who want ultra-level power without the size, and the Ultra itself, expected to arrive around February 2027. So the question isn't really whether the Galaxy S27 Ultra will have a bigger battery. It will. The real question is whether Samsung can convince you that a longer-lasting phone is worth a shrinking camera. Because for 6 years, the Ultra was defined by having everything. This might be the first time Samsung asks its most loyal users to choose. If you want to be first to know when Samsung confirms any of this, this is the channel to follow. New leaks are breaking every week, and I break them down before anyone else does. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.